Hello students, welcome to my online class. So in this session we will see next concept of chapter 5, that is derivatives of exponential and logarithmic functions. So generally exponential function is of the form exponential function, that is f of x equal to e to the power x form exponential function, and logarithmic function is of the form f of x equal to log x base e, always base e. So before going to find the derivatives of exponential and logarithmic functions, first we see the basic properties of logarithmic functions. Okay, so first property, log of m into n base e ittandre, log of m into n base e ittandre, this can be written as log m base e plus log n base e. So basically log of m into n base e, this can be written as log m base e plus log n base e. Very good. Okay. So second property, log of m by n base e, this can be written as log of m base e minus m by n is minus log n base e ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Okay. Third property, log of m to the power n base e ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, log of m to the power n base e ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, this can be written as n log m base e. m to the power n ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಲ್ಲ, n log m base e ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪವರ್. ಓಕೆ. Fourth one, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸ್ ರೂಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್, ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ m ಬೇಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, a ಇದೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ m base b, where b is some standard base divided by log a base b. So the key property is change of base rule ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. log m base a ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ base change ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this can be written as log m base b. ಇಲ್ಲಿ base ನಾವು b ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, divided by log a base b ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So ಈಗ ನಾವು change of base rule ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. So fifth property, e to the power log x ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. e to the power log x ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ x ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So e to the power log x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, e to the power log x base is the value direct agi value x agutte. So these are the properties. Now we will see derivative of exponential and logarithmic functions. So derivative of exponential e to the power x with respect to x the value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is e to the power x only. ಇದರ derivative change ಆಗಲ್ಲ, function ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, into exponential derivative e to the power x only into derivative of x with respect to x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು d by dx of x 1 ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ d by dx of e to the power x ನಾವು e to the power x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಬಹುದು. So this is the derivative of exponential function. Suppose ಇದೇನಾದರೂ ಈ x ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, if d by dx of e to the power f of x ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this equals to First again, we have to find the derivative of e, exponential function. Then we have to find the derivative of f of x. Again, composite function. First again, exponential function ಆಮೇಲೆ f of x derivative find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So derivative of e to the power x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is e to the power x only. ಅಂದ್ರೆ e to the power f of x only into ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ f of x ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Derivative of f of x ಏನು? f dash of x. Is it clear? So this is the derivative of exponential function. Okay. Next one. d by dx of logarithmic function. Log x base e ಇರ್ತದೆ. So ಇದು derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Log x derivative 1 by x ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Log derivative 1 by x into derivative of x ಏನು? With respect to d by dx of x. That is d by dx of log x base e. This equals to 1 by x. Again d by dx of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1. So ಇದೇನಾದ್ರು x plus ಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that is d by dx of log f of x ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ log f of x ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ log ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ f of x ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ log ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು? 1 by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of x ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 1 by f of x 1 by f of x into derivative of f of x. ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ log ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ f of x ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. f of x ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು? f dash of x. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ derivative of log f of x. Okay. Next, we will see some examples on exponential and logarithmic functions. So example is that differentiate the following with respect to x and y. So functions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, we have to differentiate these functions with respect to x. So first one here solution ನೋಡಿ. First one again. So let you have to consider this as y equal to e to the power x and y. So we have to find dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x and y. Differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of y equal to d by dx of e to the power minus x ಇದೆ. e to the power x ಇಲ್ಲ, e to the power minus x ಇದೆ. So this implies dy by dx equal to exponential function derivative ಏನು? already e to the power x e to the power x ಇರುತ್ತೆ. e to the power f of x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ e to the power f of x into f dash of x ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು f of x ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ? e to the power f of x into d by dx of minus x. plus x ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ minus x ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x minus x with respect to x is minus 1. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ minus 1 ಇದ್ರೆ minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this value dy by dx equal to e to the power minus x into minus 1. Y value is to e to the power minus x. So d by dx of e to the power minus x equal to minus e to the power minus x. Clear? So this is the derivative. Second one is that sin of log x where x greater than 0 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Okay. So you consider let y equal to sin of log x. ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ e ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ e ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ sin ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ log x ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ sin, ಆಮೇಲೆ log. sin ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. sin ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು? cos f of x into f dash of x. ಇದು f of x ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to d by dx of sin of log x. Okay. So then first again sin derivative ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ log x. sin derivative ಏನು cos f of x ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ log x ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ into derivative of log x d by dx of log x. dy by dx equal to cos of log x into derivative of log x and that is 1 by x. 1 by x. The y value is really sin of log x. Y value. Therefore, d by dx of sin of log x equals to cos of log x divided by x. This is the final answer. Okay. Next, third function, cos inverse of e to the power x. Cos inverse of e to the power x. The first function cos inverse, next e to the power x. Okay. Third one, let y equal to cos inverse of e to the power x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to d by dx of cos inverse of e to the power x. This equals to first again cos inverse derivative. Cos inverse derivative is minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse of x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ cos inverse of x derivative ಏನು minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus ಏನಿದೆ e to the power x ಇದೆ. Cos inverse of x plus e to the power x ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus e to the power x square. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? into x ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ cos inverse of f of x ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ e to the power x into d by dx of e to the power x. Is it clear? This equals to minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus using laws of analysis. ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು e to the power x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನ a to the power m to the power n ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು a to the power m to the power n. This can be e to the power m into n ಅಲ್ವಾ? So square root of e to the power 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ into derivative of e to the power x ಏನು e to the power x only. So this is the derivative of cos inverse of e to the power x. Okay. Next one, fourth one. Fourth one is let y equal to e to the power cos x. How form e to the power f of x. E to the power f of x. Already got the e to the power f of x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then d by dx of y equal to d by dx of e to the power cos x. dy by dx equal to e to the power cos x. First e to the power exponential function ಏನು e to the power cos x only into dy dx of e cos x. Cos x. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ನೋಡಿರೋ this equal to e to the power cos x into derivative of cos x ಏನು minus sin x. Okay. Therefore d by dx of y handling e to the power cos x equal to minus sin x into e to the power cos x. So this is the final answer. Okay. Next one, exercise 5.4. Differentiate the following functions with respect to x. All questions they are of exponential functions. All functions exponential functions are there. In derivative so first one, solution for first one. First we have to consider this function as y. Let y equal to e to the power x x divided by sin x. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮು f of x divided by g of x. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx equal to d by dx of e to the power x divided by sin x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕೀಪ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟು d by dx of e to the power x, derivative of numerator minus ಈಗ numerator ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, d by dx of sin x. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, sin x ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. derivative of e to the power x ಏನು? that is e to the power x only, minus e to the power x, derivative of sin x that is cos x divided by sin square x. So e to the power x common is there. So d by dx of e to the power x divided by sin x equal to e to the power x in common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? sin x minus cos x divided by sin square x. So this is the part of answer. Okay. Solution for second one. Second one is e to the power sin inverse x. So same, let y equal to e to the power sin inverse x. Your formula e to the power f of x. Differentiate with respect to x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx equal to d by dx of e to the power sin inverse x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ sin ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ x ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು? e to the power x only, f of x ಇದೆ, into derivative of sin inverse x into d by dx of sin inverse x. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? e to the power sin inverse x into derivative of sin inverse x ಏನು? derivative of sin inverse x ಏನು? 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so this is the final answer. This is related to d by dx of e to the power sin inverse x derivative. Next, third question. Let y equal to e to the power x cube ಇದೆ, e to the power x cube ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್? e to the power f of x ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ with respect to x on both sides. This becomes dy by dx equal to d by dx of e to the power x cube ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, derivative of x exponential ಏನು? e to the power f of x only. derivative of exponential ಏನು? e to the power f of x, e to the power x cube only, into derivative of x cube. This equals to e to the power x cube into derivative of x cube ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? e to the power x to the power n form 3x square. Therefore d by dx of y will e to the power x cube is e to the power x cube into 3x square. Okay. Next, fourth one. In the function of let y equal to fourth one. Sin of tan inverse of e to the power minus x is there. Sin of tan inverse of minus e to the power minus x. Really, three functions in there. This function is composite of three functions. First is sin, ಆಮೇಲೆ tan inverse, ಆಮೇಲೆ e to the power minus x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. dy by dx equal to d by dx of sine of tan inverse of e to the power minus x. First ಗೆ sin f of x ಅಂತ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ? sin f of x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. sin ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು? cos f of x cos f of x into derivative of f of x into d by dx of tan inverse of e to the power minus x. Okay, this equals to cos of tan inverse of e to the power minus x into ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ? tan inverse of f of x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. tan inverse of f of x. tan inverse derivative ಏನು? tan inverse derivative 1 divided by 1 plus x square. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, tan inverse derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. tan inverse of f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by 1 plus f of x ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು tan inverse of f of x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 divided by 1 plus x square into derivative of this f of x into derivative of the chain rule d by dx of e to the power minus x. This equals to cos of tan inverse of e to the power minus x into 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power minus x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದು? ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ a form a to the power m to the power n. This can be a to the power m into n. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? e to the power minus 2x into derivative of minus x ಏನು? derivative already ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. derivative of minus x ಏನು? e to the power minus x into derivative of minus x plus ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 minus ಇದೆ. this equals to derivative of minus x and x minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. so this becomes minus ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ e to the power minus x into cos of tan inverse of e to the power minus x divided by 1 plus e to the power minus 2x. So this is the final answer. Idanthidu d by dx of sine of tan inverse of e to the power minus x derivative. Okay, this is the answer. Next, the fifth one, y equal to log of cos e to the power x. Again, here are three functions. This function is composite of three functions. First thing log is amel cos amel e to the power x. First thing you have to find the derivative of log x. This formula log f of x formula. Log f of x amel cos f of x amel exponential. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to d by dx of log of cos e to the power x. This equals to log of f of x derivative. Log f of x 1 by f of x. F of x is this one. Cos e to the power x into derivative of this one f of x d by dx of cos e to the power x. Okay, this equals to 1 by cos e to the power x into cos derivative cos f of x formula ಇದೆ. cos derivative minus sin f of x into derivative of this f composite function d by dx of e to the power x. Function ಮುಗಿಯೋರು derivative ಮಾಡಬೇಕು using chain rule. This equals to minus sin e to the power x divided by cos e to the power x into derivative of e to the power x ಏನು exponential ಏನು e to the power x only. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ sin theta divided by cos theta ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this equals to minus e to the power x first ಬರ್ಬೋದು into sin by cos is tan e to the power x. So this is the final answer. Okay. Next one, sixth one. Here is let y equal to a function toward e to the power x plus e to the power x square plus so on plus e to the power x raised to 5 over. The middle terms ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು e to the power x cube plus e to the power x raised to 4 ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. So e to the power x plus e to the power x square plus e to the power x cube plus e to the power x raised to 4 plus e to the power x raised to 5. Understood? The last one is e to the power x to the power 5. So again we differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to d by dx of e to the power x plus e to the power x square plus e to the power x cube plus e to the power x raised to 5. Sorry, 4 plus e to the power x raised to 5. Using algebra of derivatives in English, dy by dx equal to d by dx of e to the power x plus d by dx of e to the power x square plus d by dx of e to the power x cube plus d by dx of e to the power x raised to 4 plus d by dx of e to the power x raised to 5. So this equals to derivative of e to the power x now, that is e to the power x only plus ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ d by dx of e to the power f of x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ derivative of exponential ಏನು, that is e to the power x square only into derivative of x square is 2x plus ಮತ್ತೆ e to the power x cube as it is and derivative of x cube is 3x square plus e to the power f of x derivative again it is e to the power x raised to 4 into x raised to 4 to 4 x cube आएगा x to the power n form plus e to the power x raised to 5 into x raised to 5 derivative 5 x raised to 4. So this can be written as e to the power x plus 2x into e to the power x square plus e to the power 3x square into e to the power x cube plus 4x cube into e to the power x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 4 into e to the power x raised to 5. So this is the final answer. Okay. Next one, seventh question. Seventh one is the root of e to the power root x. The root f of x formula. Root f of x formula. Let y equal to root e to the power root x equal to. Okay. If you are differentiate with respect to x multiplied dy by dx equal to d by dx of root e to the power root x. We have form root f of x form. So root f of x formula derivative you know 1 divided by 2 root f of x into f dash of x. Derivative of root f of x derivative. This equals to 1 by 2 root e to the power root x into derivative of this here e to the power root x. This equals to 1 by 2 root e to the power root x into e to the power f of x formula. E to the power f of x derivative you know exponential e to the power f of x into d by dx of root x. Okay, so this value equals to 1 by 2 root e to the power root x into e to the power root x into derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. You stay it with okay, otherwise simplify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Simplify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. dy by dx equals to so ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ e to the power root x ಇದೆ. So ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ root of e to the power root x. This can be written as ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನು ಬರೆಯುವುದಲ್ಲಿ root e to the power root x into root e to the power root x ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುವುದು divided by 2 into 2 4 ಆಯ್ತಾ 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ root x ಇದೆ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ into root e to the power root x. Okay, so one root get cancelled. So denominator root x is multiplied divided by root x ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ that will be cancelled. So this equals to root of root x into this one x into e to the power root x divided by 4 root x into root x. This is x. So this is the final answer. Okay. So 8th one ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 8th one, let y equal to log of log x ಇದೆ. Okay, differentiate ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ log of f of x form. Differentiate with respect to x ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, dy by dx equal to d by dx of log of log x. Okay, log f of x derivative ಏನು 1 by f of x into f dash of x log. So this equals to this dy by dx equal to log f of x. Derivative is 1 by f of x into derivative of f of x. This is the formula. This equals to log x into as it is 1 by log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Already. Therefore, d by dx of log of log x equals to 1 by x into log x. So this is the final answer. Next one, 9th function is there. 9th one, let y equal to cos x divided by log x. Your form f of x divided by g of x. Quotient rule apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to d by dx of cos x divided by log x. This equals to formula quotient rule ಗೆ first ಗೆ square of the denominator means log x the square. Numerator ಬರಬೇಕು. Keep denominator as it is into d by dx of numerator minus formula ಇದು into ಈ minus cos x into d by dx of denominator means log x. This equals to log x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ derivative of cos x ಏನು minus sin x minus cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ and derivative of log x is 1 by x divided by log x into whole square. This equals to minus and common the other side. Then take the LCM. 1 by x, take LCM. So minus sign is common. X into log x into sin x. Minus and common plus cos x divided by multiply LCM ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, this is x into log x square. So this is the final answer. Okay, next question, 10th one, let y equal to cos of log x plus e to the power x. But here form cos of f of x form. This derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ differentiate with respect to x dy by dx equal to d by dx of cos of log x plus e to the power x. First again cos f of x derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos f of x is minus sin f of x minus sin f of x into derivative of f of x. Derivative of f of x means d by dx of log x plus e to the power x. This equals to minus sine of log x plus e to the power x. क्या formula है? d by dx of f of x plus g of x using algebra of derivatives. This can be written as d by dx of log x plus d by dx of e to the power x. Okay. Simplification. This equals to minus sine of log x plus e to the power x. Derivative of log x, that is 1 by x plus derivative of exponential e to the power x is e to the power x. So this is the final answer.